Welcome, aspiring learners, to the Introduction to Databases, Mastering SQL Essentials course. In this exciting journey, we will embark on a comprehensive exploration of the fascinating world of databases and the powerful language that empowers them, Structured Query Language or SQL. In this course, we will cover 3 modules, each building upon the previous one to equip you with essential skills in SQL and database management. Let's take a sneak peek at what awaits us in this enriching learning experience. Module 1 will lay the foundation for our database journey. We'll begin by understanding the significance of databases and their essential role in modern data management. A database management system, DBMS, acts as the backbone of databases, so we'll explore its components and the various types of databases available. Of course, we can't dive into databases without meeting our trusty companion, SQL. You'll be introduced to the magic of structured query language, a universal language used to interact with databases. We'll learn about key concepts such as tables, rows, columns, and relationships, setting the stage for our exciting SQL adventure. To get our hands dirty and practice what we learn, we'll create a local database environment, empowering you to explore databases on your computer. Now that we have our groundwork laid, let's dive into the heart of databases with Module 2. SQL is the lifeblood of databases, and we'll start by understanding its syntax and essential commands. The select statement will be our trusty tool for retrieving data from tables, and we'll discover how to filter and sort data using where and order by clauses. With insert, update, and delete statements at our disposal, we'll master the art of data manipulation like true SQL wizards. To supercharge our queries, we'll explore logical operators and wildcards, enabling us to perform complex searches and extract valuable insights from our databases. Our final module focuses on the art of designing efficient and well-organized databases. Good database design is essential for data integrity and seamless operations. We'll delve into entity relationship modeling, (ERM), and its components, a powerful technique to visualize data relationships and structures. With this knowledge in hand, we'll create tables and define relationships, ensuring our databases are robust and scalable. Data normalization techniques, like 1NF, 2NF, and 3NF, will be our secret weapons to eliminate redundancy and optimize data storage. To fortify our databases, we'll implement primary and foreign keys to maintain data integrity and enforce relationships between tables. By the end of this course, you'll emerge with a solid foundation in SQL and database management. Armed with these skills, you'll confidently create, query, and manage databases, empowering you to harness the power of data for informed decision-making and business success. So, let's embark on this enriching journey together. Get ready to unlock the secrets of databases and master SQL essentials.